Hi everyone, welcome to Gunpla. For today we're going to review the MSM-07S Z'gok. So this is the custom type Zgok for Char from the Principality of Zion. And this model kit is the number 19 from the HG Universal Century series. It's a 144 model kit and it was released in 2001. So this series or this model kit is 19 years old. And as you can see, there's nothing much to it. It's a pretty straightforward build. It has 4 colors. And I would recommend this for beginners because when I was building it, there's nothing hard when it comes to the build, and it's pretty much straightforward when it comes to the building process. As you can see, this is everything inside the box. So there's nothing more to it. There's no weapons. There's no additional arms. There's nothing. So this is what you see is what you get. So it's pretty much straightforward. The only surprising thing about this one is that during that time, it was 19 years ago, this model kit can articulate really well. Very much to my surprise. As you can see, it can do this. This model is pretty clean. There's no molding lines whatsoever that you can see. I didn't clean this much. It has 2 foil stickers, one for the mono eye and one for the cockpit. The thing that I don't like with this kit is that when it comes to articulation, that's pretty much it. So you can move the hands like this, up and down. Rotate it 360. Same with the feet. You could do this. Then you could do whatever you can do with the arms, with the feet and legs. And when it comes to the torso, you could do it 360 like that. There's a ball joint in there. But other than that, that's everything that you can move when it comes to torso and the head. Because of the Zgok's design, you cannot move the head whatsoever. And the one thing that I don't like with this is that this part here, if you can see this part here, there's nothing holding both parts of the armor. So every time you move it, there will be a gap in here. Probably you could glue this in the future if you want to custom modify this. Glue it and put a putty in here just to eliminate the joint line. And that goes around the body armor or the torso armor here. It's the same thing. And otherwise, the only joint that you can see is the one in this booster. It's one here, one there. Yeah, and then that's it. That's pretty much it. Just like what I said with my unboxing video, we're gonna rate the model kit that we build, and while we do the reviews, we're gonna give them some grades to help us rate them. The rating would be S rank, A rank, B rank, C rank, D rank. I'm gonna rank the model kits that receive a points from 100 to 90 as S rank, 89 to 90 as A rank, 79 to 70 as B rank, 69 to 60 as C rank, 59 to 50 as D rank, and the rest of the model kits that score 49 under will be F rank, which is the lowest one. We're gonna grade them with 4 criterias. The criterias are color separation, articulation, gimmick, and cleanliness. So each criteria has 25 points, and we're gonna do a grading, and based on that we're gonna give them a rating. So for this one, because it's really old, I don't have anything that I don't like with the color separation. The color is pretty much accurate from the anime, and the only thing that is not color separated is the one in the cockpit, which is the foil sticker. I'm gonna give this one 18 for color separation. And then for the articulation, because it doesn't have much that you can do with it aside from the things that you can do with the limbs and the feet and the torso. It's just a 5-point articulation, and you can move the feet, but other than that, it's pretty much it. As a beginner kit, probably this is pretty nice, or pretty good for beginners. I'm gonna give it 13 for articulation out of 25. And then for the gimmick, it doesn't have anything that he can do aside from the things that you can do with the claws. You can open and close the claws. That's the only gimmick that I think it has, which is really good during that time, and it's not bad. So I'm gonna give this 10 for gimmick out of 25. And for cleanliness, you don't have a lot of mold lines that you would remove. The only thing that I don't like is the one here, which is a little upsetting, because it's gonna give you a gap every time, because there's nothing holding the front and back armor to itself, which is rough. So for cleanliness, I'm gonna give it 18 for cleanliness, because you don't need to remove that much when it comes to cleaning the surface and building it. And with those grades from 4 criteria, we get a total of 59, which is the D rank. So for this model kit, it's pretty much straightforward, and I can't blame it. It's coming from 2001, which is a 19-year-old kit, so you don't get a lot of gimmicks with it. You don't get a lot of stuff with it, but it's pretty much straightforward, which is good for beginners who wants to get into Gunpla. And I'm gonna give this a 1-star building difficulty rating, which is really easy when it comes to beginners. That's it. Please let me know if you agree with my ratings, and if there's something that I need to change with the rating to be more accurate. So just let me know in the comments. And if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I have a lot of review video coming up, so please stay tuned, and thank you for watching.